आज के इस दौर में हर चीज़ ऑनलाइन बिक रही है। यहाँ तक के रिश्ते भी ऑनलाइन हो रहे हैं। बिल्डिंग मटेरियल, कंस्ट्रक्शन, सेल, परचेज of flats, lands and everything go on online. Not just this, our daily need products, groceries and fashion accessories and other all products, lakhs of products, millions of products are being delivered regularly through which are booked, which are purchased through online. Now percentage when we compare to offline market and the online market has a nearly 74% purchasing rate, whereas offline purchase has only 26%. That too 26% is being divided by widely spread across the world stores, offline stores. Now only 74, not just only 26 out of 26%, 74% is shared by online. This online e-commerce business has given an opportunity in creating more jobs. In addition to delivery, there are many internal vacancies which has been created by online shopping agencies, online shopping enterprises. The major king Amazon, Flipkart, Alibaba are the major kings in India. Whereas Amazon also started its Amazon Pay, and when compared to Phone Pay, which is being said to be as heard and said to be a part of, I'm not sure, but I have heard that it is a part of Future Group, and now Future Group has been purchased by Reliance Industries, and this is how our business share as on our offline business has affected 74% of our business, whereas when we compare our business, offline business sellers, offline business persons, they are very badly affected and has only left over to compete within their area, within their district, within their state. Only 26% is left over, which might be the people which might be this 26% persons are citizens or offline purchasers. Offline purchasers, there might be a fall in offline purchase also. To my conclusion, that I myself have faced many problems while booking, while returning, while on delivery. Even today, I am aware that I have placed one order. I have placed one order which has not been delivered even after 1.5 or 2 years. Or 2 years has been passed, not even still today my item has not yet delivered, nor my amount has been paid back. This is the reason that I have stopped my online purchasing. Whereas in this 26%, in this 26% people who are purchasing through online, there might be happy, there might be under pressure, unknowingly under pressure, purchasing through online. So these are being helped by being helped by Paytm, Amazon Pay, and likewise other payment gateways. E- Even that might be a bank SMSs. Once any customer want to purchase to offline at any other shop, after purchasing any item, the customer make payments to off, offline seller. That means any there might be any supermarket or stores or any other store. Once any customer pays amount to any specific categorized store, for example, if I have purchased at any other electronic stores keypad, I made a payment of keypad that might be around 250 rupees. Once I made a payment of 250 rupees to offline store computer fill shop. After paying to that shop, in return, after 10 to 15 minutes gap, I am getting SMS or WhatsApp pop-up message stating that thank you for shopping at, for example, Surya computer peripherals. For example, I am taking not indicating any specific. For example, that might be Surya or Acer or Compute accessories services, accessories sellers. I am making payment through online. Later I am getting a message. Thank you for shopping at Surya computer computer consumable shops. Surya computers. Use this coupon, get 50 rupees as a discount voucher, or you have a 50 rupees prepaid voucher to shop online. They are mentioning some specific websites. Likewise, customers are being diverted. Offline customers are being diverted to these online stores. They are given tips. Customers are being offered by these offers. These offers are meant only to attract new customers who are offline. The major change has been brought after monetization. In this way, offline stores are being affected 74%. On other hand, these 74% population are not just stick to one store. They have to be spread. They will spread because there is no specific person is superior or inferior or better quality or an inferior less quality. They are visiting their own favorite shops or the shops which are near to them. The only thing they means offline stores have left over. On another hand, shopkeepers have to pay heavy rents. Nowadays, a shopkeeper has to share its 25% to 85% of his profits only to rents. Now, on one hand, a heavy loss of 74% of customers not visiting offline stores. On one hand, rent has gone day by day increasing. Now, stores in Hyderabad on main road cost you rent from a 10 by 10 stores cost you over 1 lakh rupee rent. Even I have seen, referred, observed that 1 lakh rupee rent for 10 feet into 10 feet stores. That means 100 square feet store. It cost you around 1 lakh rupee rent. This is how rents are going high day by day. But on one hand, offline customers are getting down day by day. This may result the offline shopping will one day will move to end, near to end. I can't say directly end because still they are illiterate people available. They don't want, they are very much in fear to go for any further transaction online. So the main aim of to explain you of this is to explain you that even in his tough times, still we are deciding people, we are encouraging people to go online. The much changes has also got from this epidemic disease. While after lockdown, after a long lockdown, people started purchasing only through online. So they have, the customers feel that they are happy, they are comfort, they can buy online and be happy. The only thing, urgency makes the offline shopkeepers, offline stores, offline enterprise to get total benefits. Other than that, each and every person go for online, verify the cost, and at the same cost they want to buy at the offline enterprise. See, this is how a tremendous change has been brought from monetization of from e-commerce business and from the corona result. COVID-19 has also been added an advantage to online sellers to go online and buy online goods directly from sites. These offline sellers are facing very much problems. They have to pay rent, they have to go for all expenses like rent, electricity bills, and their to and fro from their residence, transporting charges and everything daily. Today, in the last month, exclusively in Hyderabad and exclusively in Hyderabad districts, I am not calculating Sikandrabad. These Hyderabad and Sikandrabad are stated as twin cities. Though within the short radiuses, only in Hyderabad, 50,000 enterprise, business enterprise, there might be electronic stores, garment stores and everything. They have closed down that shops in this in the last month like July. So in last month July, nearly 50,000 business enterprise, offline business enterprise expire, or what to say, they have shut down just because they can't able to meet the requirement and the rent which they are paying regularly. They failed to pay rent at the time when lockdown was announced, from that time to this time, but no owners has been given waivers or given any discount over rent, so they have shut down.